Hi, I'm John Brackett at John Brackett & Company Landscape, www.jbcolandscape.com, and I just picked up a pair of Paynes forks. They're bucket forks that act a lot like pallet forks. They've got a ton of uses. This is an unsolicited endorsement, so we're going to take a look at them. I'll show you what they look like on the tractor and what they can do, some of the things they can do, and that's about it. We're going to see what they do. Alright, that's my brother Danny. Dan, what do you think about those tractor forks?
So they're not too bad.
What do you think of the tractor forks?
I think they are bulky.
Wrong. They are the perfect size. So here we go. This is going to be the one-man operation on how to put these tractor forks on. You say you don't got your brother or another guy helping you out. Well, you just take the forks, you line them up to the bucket just like this, and you drive right into them. It's just this easy. Here, watch me. You stay right there. I'll set the tractor. There you go. Now you got your forks on your bucket. Clamp them down. Get them tight. There we go. Now, that's not going anywhere. And even this up. Clamp down your other one. Tight. It's not going anywhere. That's a good little fork. Now you see that little round stock steel they got there and how nice it clamps onto the edge of your bucket? That's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. This here is a little 2x4 and make yourself a heck of a brush carrier. Let's say you got a lot of brush to clear, and you want to get yourself a little more room. With the forks, they got a built-in pocket. You stick a 2x4 right in there. Stack that up nice. And there you go. Now come fall, near winter, when we're about ready to burn this thing, we can use these forks again to kind of fluff up the pile, let the air get into it, and it should burn up pretty nicely. Well, as you can see, you can also get a pallet on the other way. These are the medium duty forks. So pretty much, you can haul around stone or pavers or whatever you got. Well, so that's my little demonstration of these new Paynes forks. This is not a professional video. not authorized by anybody except for me, John Brackett, John Brackett Company Landscape, www.jbcolandscape.com. But anyhow, yeah, these are great little forks. They really do the job. They're just like they said on the website. They do everything they do. They got this nice pointy feature, as you can see. You could get into that pallet real nice. Just picked up that log without any problems at all. I was figuring normally what I'd do is I'd chain it up and use a grappler or something. But that was quick. That was quick. Yeah, I like these forks. I like these forks a lot. Again, I don't do any of this stuff at home or any of that stuff, but I would recommend getting a pair of these if you've got a tractor and you're looking to get more work done, especially if you're a one-man operation. Move pallets, move brush, flip stuff over. You got it. I mean, price is right. Think about it. Thank you. Oh shit! Woo! All right.
Lost my job.
All right, I'm recording now. Go. Two. Okay, good job.